The Anaheim Automation DPL Driver is a step motor controller used for a variety of stepper motors. This unit came to ERD with no output and required a full rebuild along with a replacement of the main outputs. As shown in our video, we had a valid test motor to use with the driver, and we were able to fully test this motor controller. This DPL driver is capable of using many motors from several manufacturers, including Anaheim, Rapidsyn, and Superior Electric, of which we have examples in our large collection of stepper motors. At ERD, one of the first types of motor controls we repaired was a stepper type, and we have an extensive library of technical documents for various manufacturers, plus a large array of different types of steppers that have been made over the years. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.